In this video, I'll show you how to go through part 3, which is basics. The first thing you'll need to do is look on your desktop for the LEGO Mindstorm icon. It's the one without the shield. So if you double click on this, it'll open up the LEGO software. It takes about a minute to open, so that's why I already did it. Once you open it, you'll probably get some kind of box up here. Just click close and click OK. And now you're ready to go. In the directions, it tells you where to go. So first thing, you open the LEGO software. Then you go to Robot Educator. Alright, Robot Educator's over here. And then the next thing it tells you to do is Basics, the driving base. So that's this one. And then we're looking for a program called Configuring Blocks. So if you scroll down, click on it, this is Configuring Blocks, the first one we're going to do. So click on Open. It'll take a second or two to open up. And then this is your directions on how to do everything. And then over here, this is live. So this would be your actual program that you're going to drag things over to. So it gives you the objectives. It says learn how to configure programming block modes, parameters, and values. And if you just keep clicking next, you'll get more info. So it's showing you about the different modes, showing you different things you can change, all of these parameters. Alright, now we're going to start doing stuff. First thing is, if there's a video, you can click play and it'll just show you what to do. So I'm going to do the same thing. Alright, so I set it for on for seconds, just like it showed me to do there. Alright, next one. It's telling me to grab the display, bring it up. And then flip it over to grid. Grab the weight icon here. Switch it over to color. Alright, see how you can't see this? If you use the arrow buttons on your keyboard, you can kind of move it around. You can also highlight everything and drag it. Alright. Here, if you want to change the direction, you can move, the little slider. You can also type in numbers. Oh, when I had all three highlighted, it wouldn't let me select anything, so just click over, and then you can change things. So we can make it turn. All right. And this is going to display text, so you can make it say anything. So maybe I'll make it say my name. You could also change it to image. And then some of them, when you click on them, they give you some selections. So you could actually have it, it says red right now, but you could change it if you wanted to. You could change it to green, any of the colors. You can even have multiple colors selected when you're doing this. And that's it. Sometimes the last block here will say something about modifying it. When you're doing this, you don't have to follow those directions. You just have to follow the directions to make the program. And then now that you've made it, you're going to test it with your actual robot. And then you're going to make some changes to it. So after I test it, maybe I want to change the image to something else. Maybe let's change it to the color sensor, since we're using the color sensor here. I'm going to change mine to just be blue. And then maybe I'm going to go full power for 2 seconds. And I'm going to go let's just go forward. All right, so now I've modified this program. And then when you plug your robot in, you'll see over here it says no brick connected. When it's connected, the screen will change. And then you can play your program by either pressing the arrow here or by just pressing the green arrow over here. Either of those will cause it to play on your robot.